All right, boys and girls, we're back. Hopefully you did your Google slide and you did your sounds. A, apple, B, ball, B. And you did all those sounds with me together on the Google slide. Let's go ahead and take a look at our words to know. And we have is, how, find, this, will, be, go, for. These are the words to know that we've used in this unit. This is our last part of the unit, and this is our fourth day. We have one more day, so we'll be getting some new words to know. We also had letters that we worked with. We worked with Reggie Rooster, the letter R, and it made what sound? Good job. We also had Dudley Duck, and what sound does Dudley Duck make? D. Letter D makes the D sound. We had Gertie Goose, and Gertie Goose is G and makes what sound? G. Good job. And last but not least, Iggy Iguana, letter I makes a I sound. Nice job. Alrighty, we're going to go into our blending, and we're going to do a little something different today with our blending, so please pay attention. Alrighty, so here are our sounds that we're working with. I, p. I, p. If I bring those sounds together, I have I, p. I, p. Rip, rip, rip. Good job. Now I'm going to do something a little tricky with today. I'm going to add a T to that, and then I have trip, 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 trip. Good job. Moving on into our sounds, having 4 letters. All right, so our sounds we're going to work with now are w, I, n, w, I, n. If I bring those sounds together, I have w, I, n, w, I, n, win, 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 win. Being tricky again. And I add a T to this word. And I have to in, to in, to in, to win, twin, twin. Nice job. Our next sounds are nt, nt. If I bring those sounds together, nt, ant, 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 ant. I'm going to be tricky again. I'm going to add a P to this word. So I have ant, pant, 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 pant. Good job. Our last word, we have the sounds p-a-t, p-a-t. If I bring those sounds together, I have p-a-t, p-a-t, pot, pot, pot. So I have the word pot. And if I add an S to that, I have spot, 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 spot. Good job. So you see how easy it is to read. Once we know our sounds, we just bring our sounds together. Alrighty, I'm going to push that up there. So now we can do our our segmenting. I'll give you the word, and I want you to break it apart for me. The word is log. If I break that apart, that is oo-ah-g. Oo-ah-g. Good job. Our next word, cards are sticking together. Hold on. Here we go. Alrighty, here we are. The word is cub. Can you segment that for me? If you said b, Excellent job. B spells cub. Nice job. Next word, easy word, sat. Let's break those sounds apart. At. At. Good job. That's how we break the word sat apart. Oh, this one looks a little tricky. Let me just say before we get started, CK, as we know, they kind of make the same sound. So when they're together, when we see the same letter they're together, even though these are not the same letter, but they make the same sound, they only make one sound, right? So we have the word is sock. If you said sock, sock, very good. That's how you break that sound down. Last word is web. Please break those sounds apart for me. W-e-b. W-e-b. Good job. All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be working with synonyms. Synonyms are different words, but mean almost about the same thing. All right, so words that mean the same. So here we have small, hot, warm, little, noisy, loud. So let's do a matchup. Grab my pen. So small. What word on this side means the same as small? Would it be hot, little, or loud? You're right. Small and little mean the same thing. How about the word warm? Would the word hot or the word loud mean the same thing? Absolutely. The word warm and hot, although they're a little bit different, kind of mean the same thing. Alrighty. And last but not least, we have noisy and loud. Of course, they mean the same thing. All right, so that was a little bit of a practice. Let's do a little bit more practice. Over here, I have some dragonflies. And on my dragonflies, I have the word smell. I have the word throw. I have the word get. And I have the word center. And this one doesn't have anything at all. So I think what we need to do is we need to solve the problem for these four, and then the words we have left over, here are our words, our wings, will be the words that belong on that last dragonfly. So we have quiet, silent, middle, toss, receive, and odor. So my first dragonfly has the word smell. Smell, quiet, silent, middle, toss, receive, odor. Yes, odor and smell. What's that odor? Oh, it smells. That would be the same. Those are synonyms. They mean about the same thing. All right, throw. Quiet, silent, middle, toss, receive. Honestly, I'm looking at it myself and oh, I got it. I'm sorry. Yes, toss. If I toss something to you or I throw it to you. Oh, Miss Jackson was getting a little confused there herself. So toss, and throw are synonyms. All right, so we have quiet, middle, silent, and receive left. And we have get. I'm sorry, this one says get. Would that be receive, middle, silent, quiet? That might want to be a little tough for you. Get. If I get something, that means I receive. I receive it. So receive and get are synonyms. Then we have center, and that one's kind of easy. Quiet, middle, silent. Yes, middle. The center of something is in the middle. So that leaves silent, and quiet for our last dragonfly. So smell and odor, silent, quiet, toss, throw, receive, get, and center, middle are all synonyms. All right, boys and girls, going over, take a look at Miss LaBerth, get with Miss LaBerth, see what kind of exercise she has for you to do. And when you come back, we'll do our reading for today. Thanks.